Okay, well, we're doing really good on our project here. Got all our DG in today. Looking good. Plants are gorgeous and lush. Our little patio nook is looking good there. And this pondless waterfall. I love this project. We have sitting benches. The bridge and the step is super natural and gorgeous. Pathways are inviting. We're going to install an arbor here starting on Monday. But for this weekend, our clients get to enjoy their new outdoor living space and water feature. One of a kind, unique creation. This dreamscape is coming true.